Man, I hate spiders. And then the most useful thing is this tool belt I wanted to show you. So this has a myriad of all the best tools, I would say. I wanted to show you, I just wear it around. It's my project belt. Goes on my side. And I'll show you all the stuff that it has. So you can holster, because it's a holster obviously, your drill. You got a nice little hammer with a hatchet. You got the bug killer, you know what I'm saying? You got a bug to take care of, and you just, boom, dead. No more problems with bugs. You got, got this knife, this carabiner knife. Super useful for certain things. It flips out. Serrated, sharp. So you got that, and then you got the old DeWalt razor knife with multiple razors. Gotta have the old reliable mini screwdriver flathead. You got this. Now this is not gonna take it out, but it's a bitch to get out. It's a little grinder. It's got a light built on it, USB charged. And then I've got all the little bits, the grinders, diamond bits. So little, all different grinder bits there, the best ones for grinding and sandpaper. Super useful. You got your super useful Klein tools, fucking wire strippers, mini fill-ups. Gotta have it. It's super useful. Everybody's gotta have a flashlight. Got the focus beam. You got your fucking side beam for lighting up the area. So you gotta have the focus beam. Then I got this. This was my favorite pair of adjustable pliers. They're from my grandpa Ron. It's also one of my best friends, like my grandma. You got this. I was a demolition guy for about 15 years. I did a lot of demolition. This was my sidearm, just a little mini. That was my mini. You see, desk heads, tools, or whatever. Then I got my mini crowbar. You can hammer it. It's a little flat bar. And I also got really good adjustable scissors that you can tighten. And then the ultimate wire cutters right there, the cantilever style. Gotta have this high-end cantilever style cutters. You can cut anything, thickest wire in the world. When you got zip ties, obviously gotta have some of those. One glue stick, and you got a whole bunch of paracord right there, black paracord. So yeah, it's quite the supplies, and obviously you can put your drill in here if you need it. There's spots for other things. I got some other little goodies hidden in here, more screwdrivers and whatnots. So just thought I'd show you that. See if that's a super useful thing. You should put yourself together one of these, so when you're working around the house, you can slap that on. You can do whatever you got to do. Obviously, this was more of a joke, but it is good for killing bugs. If you don't like spiders, or you don't like flying bugs like bees and shit, you got one of those. You just load up these fireworks to a modified, you got to modify a CO2 pistol, and you can fire these out, and they will kill any bug with a loud bang. Sounds like a bullet gun. Super cool. I like doing it. I don't care. And nothing super valuable in here. It's all just my fun, my happy place. If you've never seen my videos, it looks like a cluttery mess, but it's actually a whole lot of stories for everything. Stories for days. We got all the things, all the projects, all the inventions, and all the prototypes happen. A lot of it in here. Supercharger going out the window. That's a fun thing we're working with now. But anyway, thanks for joining me.